Good morning, guys. It's Emmanuel once again, and we're here for Hamster Daily Cipher. Okay, this is where we need to be. This daily cipher will expire today by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Today being Tuesday, 2nd of July, 2024. So, in order to activate this hamster so that here will be read, all we need to do is go up here and click the daily cipher. Click here. Just this place I'm dotting. Click on it. Then it has turned. This box has turned to red. So let's get on with it. Today's code, or you can say yesterday's code. In fact, one of the reasons why I normally do this at night is so that I can easily access this button. Most times when they release the code around 8 p.m. or after 8 p.m., the boss is always busy and it will not allow you to do your tasks very well, and at times it will be dragging, so it will not be good for videos. So that's why we are doing it now. So let's for those of you that is asking, that are asking, so let's get on with it. So the code for yesterday is KYC. Okay, KYC, and as usual we consult our chatbots. This is what we use in solving it. And the first letter in KYC is letter K. KYC is know your customer, by the way. Okay, letter K, and that is dash dot dash. And dash is long press and release, while dot is just regular tap on your phone. So dash dot dash. So let's do it. We hold, release, tap, hold, release. Okay, so letter K has been activated. Okay, so we go for the next one, which is Y. Letter Y. Okay, so letter Y is spelled as dash dot dash dash. Okay, so long press release, then tap on your phone, long press release, long press release. I think this is the first time we are using letter Y since they started this since they started this Morse code. This is the first time we are using letter Y. So let's do that. Dash dot dash dash. Dash dot dash dash. Okay. So hold, tap, hold. Okay. Letter Y has been activated. The last but not the least is letter C. Letter C. So, and how do we spell letter C? All today's letters are long. So letter C is dash dot dash dot. Dash dot dash dot. Please, if you have stayed up to this moment, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Okay, so dash dot dash dot. So we do that. Dash dot dash dot. And that is that. We have spelled the letter KYC, and then the next thing we have to do is to take our price. And that is the end of today's video. Please share and like and also comment in the comment section. Let's hear from you. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.